If you're looking to integrate Proof with WordPress and boost your conversions with a seamless integration, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll walk through everything you need to know to get Proof working with WordPress, even if you're just starting out with this powerful tool. Stay tuned to the end for a special bonus on how to get started with Proof for free. First off, if you haven't heard of Proof, it's a tool designed to leverage social proof, showing visitors real-time activities like purchases, signups, and interactions, which can significantly increase conversion rates. Integrating it with WordPress can be done easily, and in just a few simple steps, you'll be ready to get more out of your website. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is create a Proof account. You can easily sign up on their website, and once you're in, you'll get access to the dashboard where you can set everything up. Once you've logged in, you're going to see a couple of options, but to integrate with WordPress, you'll focus on the settings section. Now, in your Proof dashboard, you'll find a snippet of code that you need to add to your WordPress website. To do that, go to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to Appearance and Theme Editor. Be cautious here because you're about to edit the theme's header. On the theme editor page, find the file called header.php. It's a safe bet to add your Proof code just before the closing a tag. This will ensure that the code loads properly across all pages of your site. If you're not comfortable editing your theme's code directly, you can also use a plugin like Insert Headers and Footers, which allows you to paste your Proof code without touching any theme files. Once you've added the code, hit Update File, and now Proof should be integrated into your WordPress site. Next, go back to the Proof dashboard and configure your campaign. This is where you get to customize how the social proof appears on your website. You can choose to display recent activity like purchases, signups, or even newsletter subscriptions. It's all about showing your visitors what others are doing to encourage them to take action. You'll also have the option to control how the social proof notifications appear on your pages. You can customize the colors, the layout, and even the timing of when notifications show up. The best part is that Proof allows for A/B testing, so you can test different messages to see which ones drive the most engagement. This is perfect for optimizing your conversions over time. Once everything is set up and customized, don't forget to check your website to ensure that the integration is working as expected. Load a page and see if the notifications appear, making sure that they're not obstructing any important content and that they look as seamless as possible with your website design. Now, if you're new to Proof and WordPress, you may be wondering about support. Fortunately, Proof offers excellent customer service, including detailed tutorials and support articles to guide you if anything goes wrong during setup. And for those of you who like a hands-on approach, they also have an active community of users where you can ask questions and share experiences. To recap, you've now added Proof to your WordPress site, customized how it displays social proof, and you're ready to start seeing results. By leveraging this tool, you're building trust with your visitors, showing them that others are engaging with your site, and ultimately improving your conversion rates. Before you go, remember that you can try Proof for free right now through the exclusive link below and get access to some extended bonuses that will help you maximize the tool's potential. Integrating Proof with WordPress is simple, powerful, and one of the best ways to increase your site's trust factor and conversions. If you've enjoyed this quick guide, be sure to check out the extended free trial linked below and see for yourself how Proof can take your WordPress site to the next level.